Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to change name on Facebook. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. First, go and open your Facebook app. Then what you want to do is go to Settings and Privacy. And click Settings. Now, once you are here, go click Personal Information. And there, you will see the name of your Facebook and tap on it. Once here, you can put any name you want to change on your Facebook. So that's quick and easy. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.